Hey everybody, Slick Gaming DJ here, and welcome to part 2 of my bonus Catter in Africa video. Enjoy the video. And last time we left off in level 18, and yeah guys, in part 1 we got record, 15, 11, level 10, level 6, level 1, and level 4 guys. So we're going to continue off. And yeah, the level 18 were left off. Yep, guys, let's do this. Oh. Got the second star. That cat was holding the thumbs up. Do we get... Okay, we're just gonna try all the levels and see what we... We get it. No, we forgot it. Dang it. Why do we, it was floating, so we're gonna try that again. Oh my gosh, it almost like, I don't know. But we did it, level 19. Oh, new record already. But guys, this is the extremely hard this is the extremely hard level to get a record in Catter in Africa, guys. So yeah, guys, that took me an hour to get a record in level 20 in this game. But yeah, guys, I don't know why it takes... Whoa! Ah! No! Why? I don't know why it did that, guys. Oh, okay. Hey! Alright. Got it. I could have pressed that when I got to here. Wait. But I just have to wait for that to get through, then launch it. Now! Do we get... What? Why? If this level's too hard, we're gonna... Guys, I keep failing, so... If we can't do this, then we'll just go skip. Then we'll just go to the next level. What? No! If we fail 20 times, then we'll go on to the next level. Yeah. Yeah, if we fail 20 times, we'll go on to the next level. Oh my god. I thought I just... Wait, what? Oh, I just have to... Wait for it. Now! Well, finally we completed the level. Next. Oh, well, guys, as you can see, there's already a record on level 20, so don't worry about it. Oh, guys, look. We got every record except for level 25, but look, champion's already earned, but we're gonna... dang it. We're on Zambia, Victoria Falls. I didn't mean to do that. We're gonna get a record in this level. Yes, we did it. Oh, guys. We did it. Yeah, guys. Whoa. Okay. Now. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, level 24. No! Why? Oh my gosh. Why is this really happening? Dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it, we're gonna let that star disappear. I don't want it to disappear. If it disappears, we're going to restart the level. Oh, ah! Can't let it disappear. Gotta get it before it disappears. No, it disappeared. We're gonna try that again. Why? Why does that star want to disappear? Oh, no, that star is gonna disappear. I don't know why a star is a time. Okay. If that star disappears again, we're gonna restart the level until we get all 3 stars. No, we failed. Why do we have to fail? Why? I even want to get 2 stars. Or 1 star. Why is that even possible? I think I waited too long. Yes, star. Ah, finally we got it. That took me finally, that took us an hour to get all 3 stars, but now we did it. Wow. We finally got all 3 stars. Whoa. This level, really? There is a disappearing star, really? That star is moving! How is it moving? I don't know how it's moving. There we go. Turn it off. Oh, new record. New record, guys. Alright, let's go to the level select. Yeah, guys. I don't know why we got a record, but we still got level select, so level 25 can stay like this. Okay, now final one, Republic of Seychelles. I really like this relaxing music, guys. Well, we did it. Wait, what? We already have a record level 26. No! We're gonna do that error. No, we did it. No. Oh, man. Why do we have to keep doing that? I don't want to mess. I don't want to fail the level. Okay. Wait for that to get away so we can get the 3rd star. Now! We already have a record level of 27. Yeah, guys. Okay. No. Come on. There we go. That's showing them 3 stars. All 3 stars. Come on. Yeah, we did it. Level 28. Wow. What? Aw, man. Man. Oh, dang. Why? Okay. Ah! Yes, 3 stars, 3 stars, yes. That's showing them. Whoa, final level. 30? Dang. Why? No! Oh, phew. I thought I got that boulder. Oh, I got the spike. I got that guy. Then that is showing them 3 stars, yes. We already got it. Well, we did it. Congratulations. You have finished the game 29 out of 30. Wow. I think that's the first time I got 29 out of 30. Collected awards 21 out of 21. I know. I got champion. I know. Champion is earned already. Yeah, guys. I know. We already had some progress in it. So 29. I'll show you guys. It says 29 out of 30 because it doesn't have one, because it doesn't have a record in level 25, guys. But yeah, it doesn't have a record in 25. Yeah, it doesn't have a record in level 25, guys. So that's why I got 29 out of 30. Yeah, guys, that is all. Alright, guys, we did it. We finished. Oh, wait, guys, before we can end the video, let's get it to, yeah, level select in Zambia. Yeah, guys, champion is earned. Alright, guys, alright, everybody. Thanks for watching this bonus video, and we do have only one more game, Cat Around game, guys. We only have Cat Around the World, guys. That's the only one we have left, and stay tuned for that, guys. And also smash that like button if you like this bonus Cat Around video, and I'll see you on the final Cat Around game. Bye.